It's time to talk some print shop math. I could really use your help here. This right here is pretty much the machine that started it all in terms of my in-house print production. It's a JV 100-160 I got about 3 years ago. And unfortunately, one of the heads is bad on it. It's leaking at the black nozzle, and it's just gotten to the point where we just can't print with it anymore. Here's the pricing that I'm dealing with. A brand new Mimaki head assembly is $5,183. About $518 of that is tariff, because Mimaki decided to raise their pricing 10% across the board. Now, if we're going to replace the heads on this thing, we were also going to go ahead and replace damper assemblies, the cap assembly, and cap absorber sets, you know, just a bunch of little things to go with it. So parts total, grand total for this is $6,605. On top of that, the install to get my Mimaki guy to come out here is probably going to be about $1,200 for the day. So you're looking at well over $7,000. Honestly, about $8,000 to replace a single head on this machine. This is a $12,000 printer, guys. Like $14,000 at the most when you consider, yeah, you got to buy all the inks. $100 a pop times 8, so $120 a pop times 8. Plus, you got to pay for somebody to come out here and get it all set up. So maybe $14,000 at the most. To replace one head is almost $8,000. For a 3-year-old machine, my worry is you replaced one head in this machine, right? What if the next head just goes out? So all of a sudden, that's $16,000 for a machine that also has a ton of other wearable parts on it. You see where I'm going with this? Alternatively, I could get a brand new JV 100-160 for $14,000. I could also take out the good head on this machine, plop it into my new machine, and then keep one of those brand new heads with its shipping fluid on the shelf, ready to go the moment one of my machines needs a new head. And from my understanding, I got this JV 100, I have this JV 100, plus the TS 100 over there, I believe uses the exact same head from what I've been told. So I have 6 machines with 2 heads each, and then I would have an extra head handy. I think one of the side benefits of getting a brand new machine would be, and getting the same machine, is then I have a corpse of a machine in the back that I could use for spare parts whenever something goes out on it, like a belt or something like that. So essentially the current state of my shop right now is I'm down my dual CMYK JV 100. I have my backup over here, but it's the 8 color. That means it prints half the speed that this one does, but I love the quality of that machine. So would I get another 8 color? Nah, I'll get the dual CMYK so that I have something fast to print. Now, I've been told that 3 years is about right for a head replacement on a machine like this, and that usually the black nozzles, for whatever reason, are the first to go out. Have I had head strikes with this machine? A couple times, for sure. When does that happen? It's usually happened whenever we were printing blueprint paper, because it's so thin, it gets affected by the heat. We try not to use heat on it. We try to also tape it down, but sometimes if you tape it down crooked, it can get a head strike. So I don't know. I think the other thing I need to consider for my shop is I need a cheap, probably a much faster blueprint printing printer to keep over there on the paper printing side of the business, near where the customers are. And because blueprints are always like, they need them quickly, and we're usually running other jobs that seem like they're a lot more important value-wise, but blueprints are good money too. So maybe it's time to separate that out, get a really good blueprint printing machine, and keep the dangerous blueprint paper off of this printer right here. What would you guys do? What am I not thinking of? Is my math not mathing in your head? If so, please speak now. I do appreciate y'all. As always, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time.